Case name Soundarajan, age is 39 years, and today date is 3rd June 2025, and complaint of change in voice from last 1 month, 2 months after lung surgery, and ENT finding is a left vocal cord sluggish movement. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Hello, sir. This is Soundarajan. 2 months back, I had a lung surgery. Post that, I faced the voice issue because of the vocal cord paralysis.
Post-therapy video of Soundarajan, and today date is 10th of June 2025. So I want speech sample after treatment. What was the problem? Why you came?
Hello, after my surgery, I had issue in my voice.
What surgery was?
Lung surgery. After that, I had an issue in my voice because of the sluggish movement of my left vocal cord. And after this, I had taken.
So what was the ENT finding? Which vocal cord paralysis?
Yes.
Which vocal cord was paralyzed?
Left vocal cord. And
so first day you recorded your voice, and after 8 days of voice therapy, today you have recorded the voice. So, and even you have called to your friends and relatives. What changes you are observing and your relatives are observing? You can see.
Yeah, my voice has improved, and I can't speak continuously 3-4 words. Earlier. Now I can speak better, and my voice is getting improved. It is very good.
So what is the reaction of your family members?
Yeah, they are very happy. My voice is getting improved.
So when you are calling on the phone, they are able to observe the changes?
Yes, they can observe the changes.
Yeah. So it's not been yet completed. Picture abhi baki hai.
Okay.
But still we wanted to take this voice sample to compare in 8 days what changes we have done. So we'll be supporting you through the online, or because you are from Bangalore, so when you will be available in the Bangalore and at mutual convenient time, we'll be calling sometime.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your treatment.
Okay, and those who are watching, yeah, you wanted to say something?
Yeah. Very thanks for Sanjay sir. I didn't research or did nothing. I got feedback from my cousin brother who took treatment before 10-12 years back.
Oh, so you have referred by patient?
My cousin brother.
Oh, your cousin only. I was not knowing.
After that, I don't know about this YouTube channel, website, nothing. I only searched the name and address, and I came directly.
Okay.
After that, after coming only, I came to know this YouTube channel and all this.
Okay, it's very interesting. My old patients are referring people like you. So those who are able to see the positive changes, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And you can also write in the comment box what changes you are observing in this 8 days of voice therapy. And the final video will be making after combining 3 videos: first day, 8th day, and the end of the treatment. But one video will be uploading in 8 days also what changes we have done. Thank you. Thanks for watching.